You're up. Okay. So point out who's who. We all know Molly.
This here is Jada.
She's squirmy. He wants to give you a kiss.
This is Pico.
Let him kiss you.
Oh, Pico. And this is Kesha.
Molly wants that. She wants to give you a kiss.
Hi, Molly.
Let Betty Crocker do the measuring. And get a head start on delicious homemade cookies.
Pico is attacking my shirt.
Just pour, mix, slide.
Is he stuck?
Pico.
Molly wants to give you a kiss. There she goes. She feels better like that, like a baby.
Owie, owie, owie.
Who's jumping up on you? Is that
Pico.
Pico?
Little crazy boy.
Let him kiss you. He's a kisser.
Oh, Pico.
His tongue is still going. There.
Kesha, nice and calm.
For now.
Jada.
Let me get a close-up of her face. If she stops wiggling. Jada! No, she wants to give you a kiss. Molly wants back in your lap.
Oh,
Oh my goodness! You have to put your legs down and then they won't try and... Now they can reach you better. They just like to hop on your legs. He wants to kiss you.
oh,
There he goes. That Pico.
Pico.
Yeah, Pico's a kisser. Molly wants your attention now.
Hi, baby. You're just a little jumper, aren't you, Pico? Okay.
They're getting stuck to your shirt. Molly!
Molly, look.
Molly! Let me get a close-up of her so she can see our mommy. Molly!
Molly.
Hey! Hi, baby girl! What you doing? What you doing? What are you doing? Let me get, hold on. Okay, don't move her. Hi, babies! Oh, look at that cute face. Okay, you put her down. She wants to go.
This one is Jada.
She wants to bite your
Oh,
feet.
no, this is Kesha. Oh. Got my sock.
Who's that?
That is Pico, I think.
Is that Pico? Oh,
Jada.
Pico. Oh, there goes Molly. She's got it now.
Kesha is a lover.
Oh, Pico's gonna rip it right off. Look at Molly.
Ow! They're getting my toes.
He's a little
Ow, ow, ow. Okay.
little violent.
No more, good boy. You guys are feisty. Hi, guys.
Molly, come here, baby. Come on. Oh, come here, babies.